And the last part of our course, I mean, if we're talking about phonetic system, we will talk about stressed and unstressed vowels. We come back to our first topic. We will talk about vowels once again. So, actually, stress or accent is very important in Russian language. These letters, these vowels which are under stress, you should pronounce a little longer. And all consonants which are not under stress, which are not stressed, you should pronounce shorter. They must be reduced. And sometimes meaning of the word depends on place of stress in this word. So I say you once again, be careful please with this thing. Stress is very important, and let's try to pronounce Russian words with correct stress. And there are some tricky things. First we will talk about letters A and O. It's one of the most important rule of Russian pronunciation. So, the letter A, we don't have any problems with this letter. Why? Because this letter is always pronounced like A. It doesn't matter, is this letter stressed or unstressed. Tam, Ira. Tam, Ira. You see the letter A, anyway we read like A. Let's read these words too. Papa, Mama, Lampa, Luna. A we always read like A. But the letter O, look please at this part of our slide. This letter we pronounce like O, like an alphabet, if this letter is stressed. For example, вот, вот. And we pronounce the letter O like A if this letter is not stressed in this word. For example, вода, вода. You see the letter O should be pronounced like A. Вода, not вода, вода. If the letter O is not stressed, you should read it like A. Вода, вода. Let's read some other examples. Он, он. O we read like O. O is stressed. Она, она. O you read as A, because here O is not stressed. Она. Please don't say она. It's not correct. Она, она. Фото, фото. First O is stressed. It should be pronounced like O. Second, O is not stressed. It will be A. Фото, фото. The last word is это. Это, not это. It will be это, because O is not stressed. So, if we are talking about these letters, I, E and E, logic is the same. I mean, the letter I, like the letter A, we always read the same. I is always I. It doesn't matter is it stressed or unstressed. Мир, леса, мир, леса. Извините, извините. The letter E you pronounce like E, and the consonant before this letter should be softer if this letter is stressed. Нет, нет. If this letter is not stressed, you pronounce it like I, like here, I. Сестра, сестра, not сестра, сестра, сестра. Let's read these words once again. Нет, сестра, метро, not metro, metro, because E is not stressed. And the letter E. Under stress you read like E, это, это. And if this letter is not stressed, again you read it like I. Итаж, not этаж. Итаж, итаж. Let's read these words. Это, этаж, Эмма. So it will be like this. Let's read and learn some new words. We're talking about stressed and unstressed vowels. Лампа, лампа. Луна, луна. The letter A you always read like A. Фото, фото. First O you read like O, second O you read like A. Фото, фото. Вода, вода. O you should read like A. Вода, вода. Because O is not stressed. And I want to say that we could do it. Congratulations, my dear friends. Now you know everything about Russian phonetic system. You know how to read vowels, consonants, what's the difference between hard and soft, voiced and voiceless consonants, what does stress in Russian language mean, how to read Russian vowels which are stressed and unstressed. And as a summary, let's try to read some sentences, not just words, sentences. And during the next parts of our course, you can easily read not only just words and simple and not that much simple sentences too, because now you know the main rules of Russian pronunciation, of Russian phonetic system. So let's try to read. And of course I will give you a translation of these phrases. Кто это? Кто это? I read, and as usual you try to repeat, please. Это мама и папа. Это мама и папа. Nothing difficult, right? Because you know every word here. Где дом? Где дом? Где дом? Дом там. Парк тоже там. Дом там. Парк тоже там. Это стол. Тут лампа и телефон. Это стол. Тут лампа и телефон. So, you know all letters, and I hope it was not that much difficult for you to read these simple sentences. Even if you don't know the meaning of this word, of any word, I think you will not have any difficulties in reading, because you know the rules of pronunciation, you know how to read the letters. Of course, for first time, maybe you will say that it's difficult, everything is messed up, some letters look similar but they sound different and so on. Don't worry, since next part of our course we will start to talk about Russian grammar. During every part of our course we will learn some new words, and the more you read, the more you listen to me, for example, the easier you will read every Russian word, even if you don't know the meaning of this word. So now I want to say you not goodbye, but see you in the next part of our units, of our course. As usual, I want to wish you good luck. Don't give up. Russian language is not that much difficult as maybe you used to hear before you start to learn it. So, and I will try to explain you difficult things with simple words And as a result of this course, you will be able to speak, to make up sentences, and to express almost everything that you want to say. So, see you in next part of our course.